So I was asked to give a small walk around of the unit for how it looks at this present moment. So I wanted to give you a small walk around to give you an idea of the unit. This is a 20-foot shipping container, high cube. This is going to be a storefront office. It has a rear commercial door. Handrails. Nothing on this side as of now, but it's going to have the electrical box going to be on this side of it. It's going to be on this end. And also on this end, it's going to have a welding booth on this end. It's going to be for welding sessions. The handrails and the staircase is 1.5 inch tubing. The staircase tubing is thicker than the handrail tubing. Right now everything is locked down, or I would go up and give you an inside view, but I don't have the keys on me. Just wanted to give you an update and a small walk around.